Well, we're getting our first big retracement off of this pump, right? And this is a natural thing. It's supposed to happen right now. ADA is in fact floating around that 28 cent range, which is a great thing to see. And it's funny because I've seen some comments saying, a couple of my videos yesterday, oh yeah, this isn't going to age well, or we're definitely going to drop still, or ADA's dropped it set a new low in the BTC ADA pairing. And what I want people to realize is I don't care. Okay. I don't care if we end up retracing here. We could go back to 24 cents and I could not care less. And the reason for that is when we look at long-term price, whether we're at 28 cents or 24 cents, it doesn't really matter. Okay. Unless you were short-term trading, that has no impact in what I am doing. Now, I will say this, if we do drop back to 24 cents, if we end up going even lower than that, I'm adding to my bag. Right now, I'm just kind of chilling because I don't really buy on green candles. And there are many people that don't as well. And I think that's a pretty smart thing to do. As always, this is not financial advice. But these short-term price movements don't have any dictation on how the future is going to look. And I'm pretty sure I made a sole video just based on that. But that's the point I want to convey is it's not about videos aging well or not. It's about keeping people updated on what's happening right now. Although we have gone through an overall retracement in the market, ADA is actually looking pretty good compared to a lot of other assets in the space. All right. Right now, it's actually holding. I should have had this pulled up. Right now, it's actually holding up around these levels, and it's looking very strong. Okay. This is where ADA is truly going to face some resistance in that 28 cent range to 30 cent range. Okay, we have struggled with this before. You can obviously see that big consolidation that happened in June. We kind of got stuck in this range bound area and just really had some struggles getting through it. So I would not be surprised by a little volatility here. Now, there's no guarantees. Nobody knows what's going to happen. And again, if you're a long-term trader, it doesn't impact you anyways. It doesn't impact me in the slightest. But as always, I would love to see some more downside so I can accumulate more at cheaper levels, but I know we may not have that opportunity. Right now, a lot of this has been a catalyst based on the expectation of a spot Bitcoin ETF. So if there is no spot Bitcoin ETF that comes really anytime soon and there's no other further good news to push things higher, would not be surprised by some consolidation, would not be surprised by a retest, some pullback. Now, we did get that bullish cross here, okay? And this is a great sign because, again, remember what ADA has done in the past. Every time we've gotten one of these bullish crosses, we've continued to move to the upside. So obviously see if ADA's got that same kind of plans here. Obviously, that could push us up into like that 32 to 34 cent range. But again, there's no guarantees, and this is not financial advice. So just think more long-term. All right. If you are thinking short-term movements, where price could drop to, why we're retracing, you're doing it the wrong way. So long-term has shown to be the best way to do things, and that's the way I will continue to do it. So appreciate you as always. Show your love below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.